Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dana Mansabel. I'm from PBIC and I'm reading the journal Teaching English to Visually Impaired Students and Analysis of Teachers' Problem, authored by Leni Marzulina, Dian Erlina, Muhammad Hollandia, Fasinyo Harto, Heriza, Rizky Dwi Amrina, and Novalia. Abstract. The aim of this study was to find out the teacher's problems in teaching English to visually impaired students. The participants of the study were two English teachers at one special school in Palembang, Indonesia. A qualitative research design with a case study method was employed in this research. Interview and document analysis were conducted to gain in-depth information and understanding on the object, while thematic analysis was used to analyze and describe to collect data. Triangulation and member checking were used to assess the truthfulness of the research result. The result indicate that main problems confronted by the teacher in teaching English to visual impaired students associated with time management, student attitude and behavior, lack of instructional materials and equipment, and poor classroom condition. Instruction. In Indonesia, English intended to be one of computer subjects in junior high school, senior high school, and universities. It is widely known that English is important for the most common research that English is global or international language. By mastering English, the student might improve their communication skills within their opportunities to study Marzona and Pickering 2003. State that in teaching English as foreign language, teacher as Erlina Hollandia, Harto, Devspitasari, and Anggraini 2021. Teaching English as foreign language is a challenging task for teachers, especially to visually impaired students. Teacher is an essential such state that teachers of students with visual impairments are qualified specialists, teachers who have the skills and product and practical experience in the field of visual impairments. Problem in the teaching English to visual impaired students. Teaching English to visual impaired students requires several educational considerations to accommodate their special learning needs. Kunz and Smith, 2018, mentioned that there are several factors to consider that might arise problems in teaching English to visual impaired students. There are follow lesson plan. A lesson plan needs to know what is going to be done in the class. It's one important part of teaching and learning process. Lesson plan contains several components such as a subject, material, activities, media, and assessment, and each component should be described clearly. Harmer 2007 highlights our function of lesson plan. A lesson server as a guide for teachers to conduct set activities in the classroom, determine what the student will learn and how the lesson will be done, as well as how learning will be evaluated. Methodology, research designed by a participant inside of the study. The study was conducted by using a qualitative approach with a case study method. A qualitative research aims at expanding phenomenon based on the perspectives of participants. A case study is used to describe a specific intervention or phenomena as well as the context which it occurred. Thus, a case study was approached to this research that focused on the teacher's problems in teaching English to visually impaired students. The participants of the study were two English teachers and at one special school in Palembang, Indonesia. Confidence sampling was taken as one of purposeful sampling strategies to select the justification in select the participant were that teacher had to be permanent and had more than 5 years experience in teaching English to visual impairment students. We may ask the names of the teachers and research sites through the use of pseudonyms for the names of the participant. We use A, Y, and YS instead of their real names. Data collection and analysis. Interview and document analysis were conducted to gain in-depth information and understanding on the subject in the study. Interview involves presentation of verbal stimuli and reply in the terms of oral verbal responses. In this study, face-to-face interviews with the participant were conducted. The interview consists of 26 main questions that were divided from Kuchas and Semim and Brown findings. In the reference the data obtained through interviews and documentation, teachers' problems in teaching English to visual impaired students were categorized into 4 major themes, including 1. Time management problems, 2. Student attitude and behavior problems, 3. Availability of instructional materials, and 4. Poor classroom condition. Conclusion: based on the result of the study, there were several problems that English teachers had encountered in teaching English to visual impairment students. The main problems were associated with time management, student attitude and behavior, lack of instructional materials and equipment, and poor classroom condition. This problem need to be overcome, or at least minimized, to give additional learning space and opportunity for the student with a visual impairment to learn English. This study made over basic information of problems experienced by the teachers in teaching English to students with visual impairments. Further studies might be direct to investigate other problems and also the strategies to facilitate visual impairment students in learning English. I think it's enough. Thank you for you watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.